doing olive green makeup tutorial with me. It's been 5 days ago since I posted the first pre-look in green. Was like a bright lime green look. So if you haven't checked out the video I posted on March the 1st, which is like 6 days ago or 5 days, whatever, go check it out because I just posted it on my fashion and beauty channel. Oh, by the way, I have a spam account on TikTok. If you want to go check out, you can go check it out. Because just in case if I'm posting too much on my main account, I can post on my spam account as well. Because what if my main account gets spammed for no reason? Well, at least I will have a spam account to keep. So go check it out. It's NA Spams 2.0. That is my spam TikTok account. So go check it out. I'll put the link in the description. You know where to find my spam account. I'm gonna tell you guys how much I had the worst day ever. On that Wednesday, it was like 3 days ago that I was gonna have a great day at school, but unfortunately, it turns out to be the worst day ever. So I'm gonna tell you guys all about what actually happened. Basically, my dad is driving me and my sister to school, and then all of a sudden, then he started to mention my mom's dentist appointment, and he said about it's not gonna like a recovered or fixed surgery. But then all of a sudden, guess what he said? He said that the doctor is gonna take something out of my mom's mouth. And you know what happened? I literally got sensitive and I cried to death as my morning got ruined. That's because I thought that if mom was rather not going to be okay, or she is going to be okay. So I told mom that night, well, after I just got home from school, I told mom all about why I got sensitive about that and why did dad mention it. And then she said to me, don't worry, it's gonna be okay. I don't know how to describe it, but she just said, oh, it's gonna be okay, you don't have to worry. They're only gonna take something out of my mouth just for valid reasons or for safety reasons. Whatever that is. Anyways, so I got sensitive. I cried to death. That's because dad said something about it. But I did not appreciate it because that literally breaks my heart. Because I thought mom's not gonna be okay. I thought not only whether she's gonna be okay or not, but also it's making me think that whether mom's gonna have surgery or she's gonna have a different look. But my whole morning was completely a disaster. Well, not a lot disaster. I would say slight disaster because of what my dad said about my mom's surgery for her dentist appointment. But, by the way, I think it already happened yesterday. But I was overthinking too much, saying that, oh, my mom's not gonna be okay. I thought she's not gonna be okay. Like, I literally thought that she's not gonna be okay, or she's gonna have plastic surgery. Anyways, I'm gonna go with this dark fern green color. This is a brand new green color, which is cool though. Not only did that happen, but when I got my math test back, my grade was a below 60. I thought I was going to get at least an 80 or 90 due to that the math I'm taking right now, I think math 102. But I would describe that the math I just learned in my previous education, it was so easy, but I did not expect what if I'm gonna score lower than 60, and I didn't expect that. So I had to say I wasn't happy about it because I literally did my best in my ability to do all the questions and answer all the questions correctly and showing my work as always. Like I can tell you, I'm literally screwed because I thought I was going to score higher than 80 or 90 or getting an easy 100, but I thought I was gonna get a good grade, but I'm literally screwed. So sorry, not sorry. I thought I was going to get a good grade, but not scoring lower than 60. and I didn't expect this to happen. I'm gonna go with this palette, but I think I'm gonna change it up because my last video, I think I did like a fern green look, but not like an olive green color. So let me just do this, I don't know which color, this color or that color. Actually, I'm gonna take this green color right here, but because I did that video of the fern green look last year, I might have to change up a little bit because I don't want to repeat this unless if I want to do a music video for one of my songs. Yeah, go ahead and do it. I don't care. Oh my god! Looks cute. It's a cool color. It's a good color, right? Also, if you want to know that I'm grounded, no, I didn't, because you know what I did? I told my parents, oh, I got that grade, but they did not punish me. They didn't grounded me. They didn't take everything away I love, because they said, oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, at least you did your best of your ability. You've been studying a lot. They understood what I said, so good news. I'm not grounded, so don't worry about it. Because I told them that I've been studying so hard, but did not expect to not to get a good grade. But I'm a little screwed. I'm not a lot of screwed or busted or whatever. Anyways, I want to go with this green color called Jungle. It's like a fern green color. Again, I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't want it to mix the dark green or the fern green itself. So we're gonna do this color. But at least I went to tutoring for that, and it helped me. That way I could do well on the test and get a good grade. Well, at least I did. And it was very helpful. The tutors had helped me. What do I have to do to get the questions correct on the test? Let's say if those math problems would pop out on the exam, I would show, how do I do this? How do I do that? So I did my best. It was very helpful because I went to tutoring days before the exam. Besides that, my full day from 3 days ago, March the 4th on a Wednesday, it was completely ruined because of that. But at least I talked about my feelings to my parents and they helped me feel better. So they understood what I said. I'm just gonna go with one more color, this lime green color, because I feel like this olive green color it's a little dark. Because when a mom sees that I did like dark colors of the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this because I don't want to mix the dark colors with that. Alright, I'm gonna slowly press it down so I don't mix the colors together. You know what, I'm just gonna use this brush just to get like a backup color. There you go. And do the same thing on the other lid. Alright, so my eyeshadow is done. Anyways, so what do you think about my story of how my day was ruined from 3 days ago? Do you think I need to talk more about what actually happened and why my day was ruined? What's it making my day ruined? Do you want me to clarify more info about my story from 3 days ago of why my day was ruined and I didn't have a good day? Or do you want me to add anything else regarding to the situation that happened to me 3 days ago? Let me know in the comments, because this is what I told you all about the situation. But on Thursday, 2 days ago, my day was better. I felt a lot better from what happened 3 days ago. Not only I felt better from 2 days ago, like the day after my day was ruined and I had the worst day ever, but I also felt happy. That I won't have a worst day ever at school ever again, unless something bad happens. Let's say if I had a bad morning, or let's say if I woke up on the wrong side of the bed or feeling in a bad mood, I could just talk to my friends about my feelings and they can help me feel better. By the way, if you're wondering, just ignore my bangs, because I got a severe trim, but it's not looking too pretty good. So it is not well done. Well, that side, it is well done. But the left side that has like the longer parts, the longer corners of my bangs, it is not well done because I thought it's gonna match the length. That way it doesn't block my eyebrows, so ignore it. I'm sorry. Not until it gets fixed. I'm gonna have my mom cut them for me and make sure it matches the length. Well, not too short because otherwise I'm gonna look bad. Or at worst, my bangs is going to look terrible. And thinking that, oh, I accidentally cut my bangs. Well, I never cut my bangs myself. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do for this look. I might have to do winter to spring look, but featuring with the green colors. Like I said, I think I just posted 2 videos for the St. Patrick's Day looks since 2025. So I want to do more than 2. So stay tuned. And we're gonna finish off with this orange lipstick from L'Oreal called Volcanic, and of course the mauve pink lipstick from Maybelline called Pink Pose. So I'm gonna start with this orange color first. But anyways, if you're having a bad day at school or even at home or anywhere, you can always talk to someone you trusted about your feelings, telling them what actually happened. You don't have to talk about that if you don't want to. You don't have to tell them about what actually happened if you don't want to. If you decided not want to, that's fine. That's okay. It's okay to have sensitive feelings, feeling stressed out, feeling down. Alright, so you can always share your feelings whenever you want to, just to help yourself feel better and be happy again, because you are not alone. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. And stay tuned because I'm going to show you my hairstyle. Again, I'm not showing you my bangs because it is not well done. I'm sorry. Once it's well done and it's fully normal that I really wanted it, let's say that side it's not blocked on my eyebrows. That side is not blocked on the eyebrows. Let's say my bangs is not that long, but my eyebrows is shown. Then I will show it to you all. Whether I have brushed it too good or not. If not, don't worry. At least I did my best of my ability. So I will be right back to show you the final look. Okay guys, this is the final look. And yes, I'm wearing my winter hat because, I'll say it again, my bangs is not well done because that side's too long and that side of my bangs, it's too short, but I just wanted to match the same size so it looks normal. That's okay though. At least I'm wearing all green if you want to see my outfits. Okay, here's a bit check. Except my tank top is not the same color, but that's okay though. Yes, that's an outfit I had for 2026. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Right? So, like I told you, if you're ever having a bad day, don't worry, you are not alone. Talk to someone you love. You can talk to your friends. You can talk to one of your family members. Tell them all about your feelings, and they can help you feel better and cheer up. That's all. Okay, so thanks for watching this olive green makeup tutorial video. So, you want to see more of my videos? Let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you ASAP so we can do more of the videos. And I'll keep you guys updated if I post new videos on my main YouTube channel as well. Okay, so this is the final look. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I love you besties. Bye.